Hi everyone, back in the kitchen again. It's been a while, and tonight we've got a quick one we're going to put together. We're going to have a go at doing JD Seasonings as usual, and it's a chicken fajitas, which is quite a quick recipe, isn't it, team?
Yes, about 10 minutes in total.
Yep, so this should be a quick video. So we'll start off with a quick rundown of the ingredients. We have a red, green and yellow pepper chopped up and de-seeded. We've got some fry light, an onion roughly chopped, 490 grams or thereabouts of chicken, all fat removed and chopped up into chunks, and of course the JD Seasonings Fajita mix. Okay, so I'm going to start off by spraying a bit of spray light in my pan. Get that warmed up. I've already lit the gas, and then chuck my onions in, and I'm going to fry those up for a couple of minutes until they start to soften. Okay, there the onions starting to brown a bit, so I'll now chuck in the peppers, and we're going to fry them up for 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, so that's been gently frying now for 6 or 7 minutes, so they're nicely starting to soften. So at this stage I'm going to whack in the chicken. There we go. Spread that round a touch, and then the pot of JDs. Very good. Shake. I'll give that a stir around and put the rest in so it coats the chicken well. There we go. I'm going to give that a good stir now. That's going to fry for about 8 minutes or so until the chicken's cooked through, and that'll be it then. So we'll come back to you in a few minutes. Okay guys, there you go. That is it, all cooked up, ready to serve. Now you can serve this either with wraps, which obviously if you're on Slimming World you'd have to sear or whatever, and alternatively for a healthy option you can serve it with rice. We quite like it with rice, so that's what we're doing, and obviously you can put a bit of salad with it if you want or whatever, but there you go. It's a nice easy one from JD's there, so why not give it a go. Okay, so there you go, all dished up, ready to serve. So we're having it with rice, so we're going to sit down and enjoy that now. Okay, so there you go then, that was JD Seasonings Chicken Fajitas. Nice easy one to do. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos. So until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.